Make the ground shake.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I was going to do some small mods on my car, and then I was actually not going to film it, but my sister basically said, mate, you need some content, so get the camera, I'll do it, and here we are. So today, this morning I got my new tailpipes in the post, and basically, if you saw my last video, one of my tailpipes actually fell off whilst driving, and I was absolutely gutted. But here we are, new set. So the original ones I had were the OEM kind of look, the carbon fiber ones. Now I've got the kind of the all black ones, just going for that stealthier look now, really. So I'm gonna get these installed, and yeah, it's quite an easy process. I don't know why I didn't do it myself last time, but yeah. So what I did first was, as you can see, there is no tailpipe on the car, so I just gave it a quick wipe down with some soap water, really, just to, you know, get some of the grime off, so it just doesn't hopefully fall off again. But yeah, next thing you need to do is you need to loosen this bracket here, and it's just a matter of slipping it on and then tightening up the bracket. So it's really easy. So let's get to it. Now that I've placed it and kind of measured it with the previous one, all you have to do is tighten the bolt bracket. So yeah, guys, got a 2-in-1 special for you. I started doing my side skirts as well on the same day, and the first thing I'm doing here is wiping down the side of the car using some soapy water because I ran out of alcohol wipes. Isopropyl alcohol would be the best thing to use to get rid of as much dirt and grime as possible. Next thing you do is line up the car, and then once you do that, it's just a matter of pulling back the 3M tape bit by bit. I'd say 10 to 15 centimeters at a time, and then, you know, you stick the side skirt onto the car and adjust it as much as you want, because if you just, you know, go pull out the whole thing, if you do need to adjust it, it's just a massive pain. and you know, working as one person, it's really hard to work along the whole thing. So it's easy if you line it up first and then do bit by bit, unless you have a buddy and you can start from either end and work towards the middle. So yeah guys, the installation's done. We had a bit of a trouble with taking off one of the tailpipes because it was screwed in too tightly, and I realised why the other one fell off, because I ordered slightly bigger ones, so the people that fitted it in before had to use an extra piece of metal to ensure the bracket would tighten. So yeah, I had to go get that sawed off. Once I got that done, I was able to fit the other side on. Yeah, and as you saw, it's pretty much the same process. You just slip it in, adjust how much you want to stick out, and then just tighten the bracket with the bolt. And yeah, the side skirt's also done, but for now I don't have tapping screws, so I've literally just left them on with 3M sticky tape. A couple of my mates have advised me to get the tapping screws because in their experience their side skirt started falling off as well. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now, and I'm going to order some tapping screws and hopefully get those fitted to ensure a little bit more security that they don't fall off like my tailpipe did. But yeah, those are my next 2 mods for the car, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.